Hey guys, good morning all. So it's been very long time I've been in this channel. So don't worry, I'll promise you the videos will be regular from now on. Why I was busy, why there was no video, my new channel update, everything I'll talk in a while by chit chatting with you guys. So I'll be starting a vlog today. So regularly a vlogs will be uploaded in this All Good Girls Trending channel. So if you want to be a part of vlogs, please subscribe and like to our channel. Why vlogs? Because I am traveling international in another 4 to 5 days. So I have started this video. So today is November 22nd, yeah, Monday. So this video will be up tomorrow, that is on Tuesday. So this week will be of continuous vlogs so that I can take you guys with me around where and all I am traveling. So it will be very excited. So keep on watching. So as I told, today is Monday. Now the time is around 9:30. So I just took my bath and I came and I'm following my skincare routine. So I thought I'll share with you guys my present skincare routine. First, I never forget my lip balm. So now I'm using this Himalayas Strawberry Shine Lip Cake. So my skin is very dry, you know, guys. So skincare is very must. And after my second delivery, my skin has become very rough, very acne. I don't know what and all skin problem is there in the world. Everything is there in my skin. So it's been like an 1 year. I delivered my second baby. So it was a worst experience, and because of these products or because of the skincare which I am following right now, it's better now. You can see. Still, I have some scars and marks, but it's far better, far better. So the skincare which I'm following is from the brand the Momsco. Hope you can see. So I'm using this the Momsco face serum. It comes like this. Two pumps is more than enough for the skin. Just dot it all over and give it a good massage. For the dry skin, I can say this is very hydrating. You can see as soon as I apply it disappears in my skin and I feel so soft, moist. I love this serum. Nowadays, due to pandemic, I'm not at all going out. So I just apply this serum and some more products from Momsco and I just leave it my skin and it looks hydrated, moist and plumpy all over the day. So the next product I'm using is again from the brand the Momsco. This is their eye cream, under eye cream. I have a very bad dark circles due to I use a lot of kajal, so I have very bad dark circle and sleepless nights due to kids. So just one pump of this I'll just dot it over and I'll just massage it. I use this in the night times as well. If you want to see my night skincare routine, just comment below. I'll just upload that as well. That is more than enough. I'll just take my ring finger, and I'll just massage it for a few seconds and I'm done. So as it is Monday today, this month is called as in Kartik Masa and we have some rituals going on and my husband will be doing pujas, so I need to prepare for that and I am preparing breakfast now. So I am doing some curry leaves rice, South Indian dish. So that video I am recording, that video will be up in my Arpitha's kitchen channel. I just put that link as well in the description box. Go and check it out. Easy 5 minutes breakfast, very easy to prepare in the morning times. So I'll just go record that, prepare the puja room and I'll get back to you guys and update some more things.
So here I am chopping some bananas for prasadam. As I told, for Monday we will be doing a puja for Lord Ishvara. So for that I am preparing prasadam. So here I will be adding a banana and I have taken some pomegranate. For this I will be adding some jaggery. You can see I am chopping some jaggery. I don't like adding more of sugar here. So I will be adding jaggery and a tablespoon of honey so that my prasadam will be ready. Looking colorful, right? It's healthy as well. So my prasadam is ready.
So guys, now the time is 12:15. So I had my breakfast. As I told, we finished puja for today. Okay, that's my daughter. Say hi.
Hi.
So now we are setting up her studies. So as you all know, it's an online studies now. So she's getting ready to log in now. She finished one online class, is it? Which one?
In English.
English she finished. So I have a timetable for her. So according to that, she'll be doing maths now.
Yes.
So go and get ready.
Okay.
Meanwhile, I'll talk a while and come with you. Okay. Okay. So I'll just finish this vlog. Kushi, close the door. Okay. Okay, so I'll finish this vlog by updating some of the points, why I didn't upload the video, what I'm doing all these days, so how my channel will be going forward. So first of all, I'm running another channel, as you all know, Arpitha's Kitchen. So I was little busy in that, so I'll post those links in the description box. I just edited one more video for that as well, 5 minutes breakfast one ka. So you can go and check it out. Encourage that channel as well. So it means a lot to me. Second thing is, I have set up an home-based business. So it is called as an Akanksha Home Services. So where we sell, me, my mom, whole my family is involved in it. So we sell masala products, ragi malt healthy drink, ragi malt, kashaya powder. So in this pandemic situation, we all need an immunity booster. So we have come up with an homemade powder, kashaya powder, which has 18 types of Ayurvedic herbs in it. So we do sell those things, and also some puja items which is used in South India, like cotton rings, which are like an handmade. My mom will do that, and other sweets items. Go and study. Go.
Okay.
So sweets item, because as the situation has changed a lot now, we all are scared to go out and buy things. We don't know whether it is hygiene or not. So we thought, why don't we, being at home, prepare and sell with an hygiene, care and love. So I have a tie-up with a website as well. It is Klaasik. I'll just mention that also in the description box. So I'll just show you the pamphlet which I have made. Hope you can see. It's a bit like reverse order. So this is like a pamphlet which I made for myself. So I have a tie-up with an Klaasik.com, which is for an home entrepreneurs. So you can find a lot of home entrepreneur in that who makes the products at home and sell with the love and care. You can go and check those website as well to buy the products. It's very reasonable. You can rely on those products because those are like homemade, freshly homemade. When you place an order, it will be made fresh at home and it will be dispatched with care. So that is all about what I'm doing these days. So if you want to encourage the home entrepreneur, woman entrepreneur, go and check out the description box to know more about Klaasik. I'll just mention my mini website also. So I had few orders, so I was just taking the printouts of all the details, like labels, invoice and other things. So it's like a very genuine one. You can see once we get an order, we will take a tax invoice, tax bill with the labeling. Packing is done at home and we will send it out. So these are some of the updates. So regularly I'll be uploading some of the vlogs in this all about girls trending. Please do follow up and check out the description box to know about Arpitha's Kitchen, where I'm uploading all South Indian dishes, authentic foods, and also some of the North Indian dishes which can be prepared within 5 minutes, 10 minutes very easily. If you want to know those things, please go and check out Arpitha's Kitchen and also subscribe that channel as well. So I'll just end this vlog today here because it won't be very lengthy one. So this video will be up tomorrow, that is on November 24th. So today is 23rd November. I think in the morning when starting I just told 22nd. Okay, today is November 23rd, Monday. This video will be up on 24th November on Tuesday. So yeah, that's all about. So if you want to know any product review video, comment below. In this video I have already shown my morning skincare routine. I need to go for parlor. So it's been almost like in 10 months now. From Jan I have not been to parlor. So no eyebrows. Facial I'm doing at home. So if you want to know how I do my facial, comment below. I'll just show those things. And I'm starting packing. I want to update. I am just moving to Dubai by this weekend. So I'll just take you guys around with me, how I'm traveling, what are the things, how the airports are now after this corona and other stuff. So I'll be starting packing as well. So in next vlog, like tomorrow Tuesday vlog, I'll just show what all the things I'm packing. So yeah, so that's all for today's vlog. Thank you all for supporting, loving, and subscribe to my channel, comment below, and also share this video. Lots of love from Arpitha. Bye.
Bye.
Bye guys.